What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. This is a replacement PlayStation 5 battery. It's from Batmax. It's 4,000 milliamps, and what's cool about it is it's much bigger than the original battery that comes inside of your PlayStation 5 controller. That's like 1,500 milliamps. This is 4,000 milliamps, and this also comes with a screwdriver and a multifunction tool to get everything set up and installed. So the first thing you want to do is grab your PlayStation 5 controller, and at the bottom of your PlayStation 5 controller, you want to dig your fingernail into the little groove, and eventually it should just kind of peel away. Make sure you do this on both sides. Next, you're gonna grab that little blue tool that came with the battery pack. And if you wanna order that battery pack, it is linked in the description of this video. And it allows you to push the shoulder buttons up. Next, grab the screwdriver from the battery pack that you ordered and unscrew the little screws by both the shoulder buttons and both screws at the bottom as well. You can grab that blue tool if needed, and what you're going to do is ply away the two parts of the controller all the way around from each other, and that will now expose the inside of the controller. Unplug the battery cable and remove the old battery. Next, grab your new battery and plug it into the controller, and then pack it in nicely. Next, grab the other half of the controller and press it together. Put the screws back in the top and the bottom of the controller as so. Push the shoulder buttons back in. Press the bottom plate back in, and you're all done. Your controller should now work, and there's no need to set it up or anything else. It will just work as long as you've had it previously set up. If not, you can set it up again if need be, but it should work perfectly fine, and I am getting great battery life with this thing. This thing's awesome. I really, really like it. And if you want to pick it up again, it's linked down below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road.